The issue of iPhone ear volume low is common in our daily lives. Saying something with your friend on call, and suddenly the other side asks if you can hear him. Facing the issue of iPhone call volume low can be frustrating. So how to increase the sound when we make a call? In this video, we'll tell you 8 workable ways to fix this problem. Method 1. Restart the iPhone. This is a common way we take to repair minor systematic glitches. There's a guide for you to restart your iPhone. Method 2. Update the iOS system. Start the settings. Tap on General and Software Update. Method 3. Disable hearing aid mode. Launch Settings. Select Accessibility and then choose Hearing Devices. Turn off the hearing aid compatibility. Method 4. Alter audio routing setting. Open Settings. Tap on Accessibility and tap Touch. Swipe down and choose Call Audio Routing. Method 5. Disable noise cancellation. Fire up Settings. Go to Accessibility and then the Audio and Visual option. Find Phone Noise Cancellation and disable it. Method 6. Reset all settings. Run Settings. Then you need to tap on General, and transfer or reset iPhone. Hit Reset at the bottom of the screen. Then select Reset all settings. Method 7. Use MagFone iOS system recovery. Link your iPhone to a computer and launch the MagFone iOS system recovery on the computer. Select the standard repair mode to avoid data loss. The final step is to unzip the firmware package and then let the program fix the iPhone call volume too low problem on your iPhone. Method 8. Factory reset the iPhone. Head to Settings. Touch on General and then choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Erase all content in Settings.